Okay, we're with Daniela and Ernesto, and this
Hello,
is
good morning. We are at the kayaks in Mayakoba.
This is a brand new activity. It hasn't even been officially launched yet. That won't be till spring break, I guess next year, but it's all ready to go, and that's a beautiful view down there. Can't wait.
At these beautiful lagoons. Here we have our kayaks. We have a new system with the paddles. You don't need to use your paddle, only with your feet. It's very comfortable. You're never gonna be tired, and you will be able to appreciate the scenery, the rocks, the fish, and the beautiful lagoons. At the Yucatan Peninsula, where we are located, in the Quintana Roo state, we don't have mountains, we don't have rivers, but here we have the cenotes. The cenote is a natural formation. We have water coming from underneath. This is fresh water. It's like a spring or like an underground river. The main stone we have here in Quintana Roo is limestone. The limestone is a sedimentary rock and is very porous. With the erosion of the water, it creates all these canyons and cenotes.
Get an idea of the length of the roots of the mangroves. There. Cormorants.
They are known like diving ducks. They have web feet, very good swimmers. They have very good visibility. This is a tropical cormorant. Okay.
A snowy egret.
Yellow shoes.
So we're going to have 2 double boats and 3 single kayaks.
Over there is a osprey. It's one of the biggest birds we have.
Wow, that's a big osprey in the tree right here.
Oh, you're lucky. There is a great kiskadi at the right side.
There, okay.
Do you see it?
Yeah.
The great kiskadi.
Mangroves will start like these little guys here. They look like this and then they fell into the water and they start absorbing nutrients and water. they start growing and floating around until they reach a point when they are big enough, which is like this, and thick enough, which would be like, I'm going to do something I'm not supposed to here. Like this guy. And that guy is going to start looking for some land. So when they found a good place to stay, they will start sending roots into the ground and from that they will start producing, growing, looking for the sun until a point they're ready to have their babies. Their babies will start the process again. So this is a plant that has no seed.
No seed.
No seed at all. They have no fruit.
So how do they replant?
They just start growing. They basically split into different plants.
Interesting.
It's a very different kind of growing for them. Because people think, oh, that's...
Okay, the reddish nature of the water, that tells you this is a red mangrove. That's just the nutrients that it releases into the water. Arm protection gear fitted on here. We've got Ernesto who's going to show us how to hold and draw the bow.
And you put one finger up and two down. This is the knocking point. Okay, the arrow is right here. The white feather facing to your left arm, so it could pass straight.
Okay.
Okay, there you go. One, your elbow needs to be upper a little bit to your
Shoulder.
Okay. This you close your back so you have a better support and release. Okay. You need to hold the bow 3 seconds so the arrow can fly very well. Okay.
Okay.
Very good job.
Getting better. Okay. We're getting closer.
Yeah. Very good.
Ah.
Yeah, you're improving.
All I need is a golfer as a good target, and we'll be all set.
Try to close your back. Perfect.
Good.
Yes, that's a 9.
Not bad.
Yeah, that is pretty good.
You're doing better. Good.
Perfect
There we go.
Great shot.
That's a 10.
Terrific. Okay, from 20 meters.
Use 3 fingers. Good. Very good.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
He was.
Let's do 30 meters. That's too easy. Okay. Last one of the day.
Wow.
Very good.
Last one of the day. Damn right.